Now I'm speaking with you. I'm feeling very friendly manner actually.
That's great. Actually,
First,
when I saw
while when I start the session, little I can say that I felt little bit nervous.
okay,
Little bit at first 1 minute.
yeah.
After that, I'm not feeling
Literally, I'm
nervous.
feeling like I'm just getting so much of friends through this conversational videos.
Yes.
I can't say that you are a beginner. You are not a beginner. You are like an intermediate. You are speaking well, and you are picking the words very effortlessly.
Maybe I am spending time to improve myself, but we don't know where we are growing,
Mm,
right?
yeah.
Like when we say put the seed in the soil, we don't know it's growing or not. Just
Yeah.
after plant comes, then only we know. Now
Yeah.
you are saying, I'm thinking that maybe I improve little bit.
Yeah.
I'm thinking in that way.
Srisha, right?
Shirisha.
Sirisha. Okay.
Yeah.
So you're from?
I'm from Bangalore. I'm
Hmm.
staying in Bangalore. Yeah.
Nice, nice. Okay, nice to hear.
What about you?
I'm from Chennai.
Mhm.
So, how did you come to know about me?
I saw your message under one of the English conversation.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah. Some I sent you message after
Okay,
seeing
that's
that.
great. That's great. Okay. So, is this your first call? So, tell me something about yourself so that I can understand about you.
Yes, my name is Shirisha. I am from Bangalore. I am married and I have two kids.
That's great.
Yeah, I'm homemaker now. Previously, I worked as a lecturer,
Mm-hmm.
but after kids, I left the job and I'm looking after my kids. Yes, in the meanwhile, I'm learning English. I'm improving my English
Okay, so
speaking
as you
skill.
were like a professor means, so what about your studies, like your qualification? What did you do, and what's your major?
Yeah, I completed my MTech in power electronics and I thought for engineering students.
Mm. So your
Yes.
native is Bangalore.
Actually for Hyderabad, but staying in Bangalore because of my husband's job purpose. We are staying here.
Okay,
And
that's great.
after
Yeah,
marriage, this is one of the problem. And one more thing, those times we don't have all these digital devices to learn.
exactly, exactly.
Yeah, now there are a lot of ways to learn.
Yeah.
So by God grace, we got even now we got all these things. So we are
Yeah,
learning.
so but we have to utilize that. So though
Yes,
we have such kind of things, sometimes we also in a track with the reels and YouTube and some other videos, just distractions like that. So we need to, if we have to focus on something, then we need to spend our time for that at least.
yes. It depends on the person how they are using all this
Yeah,
technology. Depends on the
exactly.
person.
Yeah.
Right. If I tell about my hobbies, by birth I don't have any hobbies. I inculcate all these hobbies like reading books and doing yoga. Nowadays, I inculcate all these hobbies
Mm.
to make my mental fitness and physical fitness for physical
Exactly. That is
fitness.
very important. The mental fitness will make you peaceful, right? So you need to
Yes.
be peace. You need to have the peace first. Yeah,
Hmm.
actually, if I'm telling about my hobby in true, I usually have the habit of cooking, and I'm very interested in cooking, and also in painting, drawing. So before I was just writing some poets, and I have published a book in Tamil in my language. But I'm not continuing that because of the distractions of family and everything. So I can't continue that. But sometimes, if I'm feeling low or if I'm feeling so high, then I will definitely write. Yeah.
How long have you been in YouTube in this social media?
Actually, I have another channel. Like for my Tamil language, I was posting so many videos and about the motivation and the stories and some teaching videos also I have done. So that is a collapse to you channel. Like everything was there. sometimes cooking, sometimes whatever comes to my mind, I will just post it. So it is like that. But now, recently, like 6 months ago, I started this English channel, but I'm not consistent in that. I'm not consistently posting, so it's going with the flow. When I'm just having the conversation, I will do that. Otherwise, I will just get stuck. But sometimes I'm just getting motivation from the others, the other YouTubers. They are consistently posting. I'm not focusing on
Exactly.
the viewers or the subscribers. I just want to
Yes.
post to, I mean, if we are talking something about some important things, then the people will get to know about that, right? So I just want to share
Exactly.
some things. That's it. I just want to share the
Yes.
information to the people. That's it. I don't want to get money or something like that. It's just a kind of share.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. So tell me something about you. What's your like motto, or why do you want to learn English, and what's the purpose of learning English? When did you
Yeah,
start
if
to
I
learn?
Yeah, actually, we know English from our childhood onwards, right? But when it comes to speaking, we lack ourselves.
Mhm.
When I came here in Bangalore, everybody starts talking in English.
Mhm.
So really, I was nervous to talk, even though I did MTech, but I was really nervous to talk
Mm.
with them.
Exactly.
After coming here, I started speaking with the people. Even though I was nervous, I started searching a lot of these conversational videos and that this in the mobile phones.
Mhm.
If we need that, definitely we search many things, right?
Yeah.
We find that. So I found these conversational videos and podcasts, reading books, all these things I started after coming here.
Mhm.
um, that that's what I started my journey.
Mhm.
But when we were in Rajasthan, Udaipur, we were in Rajasthan last 3 years. There, really, I don't know to speak in Hindi. I
Mhm.
know Hindi, but I can't speak. But while talking with them, I did not feel any nervous. I made lot of mistakes, grammatical mistakes, that this, but I did not feel any nervous.
Okay.
Just I spoke with them. I learned English in that way because every person was talking in English, Hindi. So I
Mhm.
learned in that way. Hindi I learned within
Okay.
3 years.
Oh, wow.
But when I came here,
Mm.
but every person talking in English, but I felt nervous. That
Mm.
is the difference between languages.
Yeah,
Right? Why
exactly.
I don't know. Felt when
Maybe
I see
because
the
of it's a global level language, and we are lagging of the vocabulary spot, and then we sometimes we lag with the pronunciation, some words. We are not about to speak
that's
the words, right?
No, that's what I'm saying. Even Hindi also, if we
Mm-mm.
move to that surroundings,
Mm-mm.
even we don't know to speak with the people like vocabulary. Many things we don't know, but
Mm-mm.
we don't feel nervous. Just we speak in that way and we learn. When it
Mm.
comes to English, that is a different again,
So
in
we
my
are
view.
lag in confidence, right? Because
Yes,
of the
yes,
opposite person is
exactly.
sometimes
Confidence.
they are, if they are speaking fluently and confidently, then we will feel low sometimes. If they are
No,
focusing,
I don't think
they
so.
may
Not
find the mistakes.
Oh, no, not because of the confidence. I
Mhm.
think we gave that much importance to this language.
Maybe, maybe.
Means if we see the language, means when we listen the people who are talking in English, we see that person as a god, right? If
Okay.
we can't speak,
Okay.
we can't speak. We see the person in front of us. We say, think that those persons are the gods. Means here we gave that much importance to English, so we feel nervous and we less confidence levels we feel, I think.
Maybe in your
Yeah.
perception, yeah. Actually, in my point of view, I can say that uh, English is just a language, but we were not aware of this. We were just
Yes.
focused like it's like a subject, so we just focused the words and then the concepts like a subject, like a science and social, like that. But when it comes
Yes.
to speaking, now we analyzed that English is very important to survive in some place,
Exactly.
right? Yeah.
Yes, exactly.
Yeah. So now you
Exactly.
are matured and you are talking very nicely. It
No,
comes with the
even
flow,
though,
I think. It comes with the flow.
yeah, some grammatical mistakes, I know where I'm lagging. I know that I have to improve in that.
Yeah.
Yeah, just I stepped out of my actual comfort zone.
Hmm.
Means comfort, what means, according to you, what is comfort zone?
Comfort zone means if I'm feeling my Tamil is okay, I mean, my language is okay, I will not come out of that and I will just speak with the persons who is comfortable with me. Like who are all speaking nicely to me in my language, then I will not come out of that zone. I will just talk with
Mm-hmm.
them. I will not talk with the other people who are talking in English like that. That's the comfort zone of
Mm-hmm.
me. And whatever it is comfortable to me, I will not go beyond that limit. Like if somebody is speaking very nicely with the flow like C1 or C2 level fluently, and they have, I mean, they have the fluency like so much, then I will feel very low and I will feel if I'm talking with them, like I'm not in the kind of person, like I'm not that kind of person, but I'm just telling that that's the comfort zone. I mean, the people feel that's the comfort zone, so they will not come out of that zone and they will be in that place. They will feel it's okay not to talk in English. It's enough whatever I'm speaking, that's enough. The words are enough,
Mm-hmm.
and I don't want to cross that limit, because I will fumble, then I will get I mean hesitation and everything will come in front of others. So I don't want to hurt myself, so I can be in this space. That is the comfort zone.
Okay, according to me, what you said is a complacement zone.
Okay.
Complacement zone.
Okay.
Uh, what you said, all these things comes under complacement zone.
Hmm.
Comfort zone means by sitting in the comfort zone, we can create lot of things. Now, what we are doing here, we are conversing with each other. Means we are learning, right?
Okay.
By sitting in our comfort zone means we are improving ourselves.
Yeah. But
Means,
in
uh,
the same place we are just improving means it is not our comfort zone. We already came out. Like not, I mean,
no, we
in
are
physical we are
means
sitting in the
we are
same place.
increasing our boundaries of the comfort zone.
Okay.
For example, if you have a circle
Yeah, I
in
understand.
between your comfort zone, we are expanding our boundaries.
Exactly. Yeah, of
Yeah.
course.
So according to me, comfort zone means by sitting in the comfort zone, we can create lot of things. Because generally people say that comfort zone is equal to laziness,
Hmm.
right?
Yeah.
Because we are in by sitting in the comfort zone, we can't create anything.
Mm-mm.
That's nothing but we are meaning nothing but that is my laziness,
Yeah. Really.
right? If you remove the laziness by sitting in the comfort zone, we can create a lot of things.
Mm-mm. Definitely.
Yeah, my experience, I will say that previously I prepared for a lot of exams and everything.
Mm.
uh, yes, I sat in the home, I prepared for many exams, but I feel very nervous after writing the exam. Will I get or not? I feel very nervous now. What I am doing, even though I step out of the comfort zone those days,
Okay.
but I feel very nervous. But now I'm learning, I'm growing, but
Mm.
I'm feeling very satisfaction. What
Mm.
do you mean? This means I'm sitting in the
Satisfied. Yeah,
comfort zone.
you are satisfied, and you are like you are looking this comfort zone in a different way. I haven't seen like a person, I mean, like
I'm
you.
thinking.
Yeah, your perception is different, completely different. And I haven't seen this way, in this way. Like the comfort zone is like this. I know a comfort zone in a different path. Like, uh, of course, I know a story, and in one of the video, I have, I mean, explained about the story to another YouTuber. Like a bird who were sitting, I mean, on a branch, and that is not moving, and that's the comfort zone. If the branch, I mean, if the branch is cut by the, I mean, the cutter, then the bird started to fly. which means it knows how to fly, but it doesn't want to fly. And it is sitting in the same branch, sitting on the same branch, and
Yes.
it's not moving. And that's the comfort zone. So,
Means
in
okay.
that way, if I'm seeing, yeah, I mean, if I'm seeing, you told a different word. What is that means? What I conveyed in the beginning. What you said, what is that way? I mean, word?
Complacement zone.
Could
Pardon?
you spell it? That word,
Um,
complacement.
COM
Hmm?
PLAC.
Complacement.
Placement zone.
Complacement.
Complacement.
Okay, okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. It's a different word I'm learning today. Yeah. I'll
Yeah.
definitely look for this.
Yes,
I'll
yes.
just go through about that. Yeah. How you are spending the time for English and how are you learning now?
Yeah, now I'm speaking with my children in English, my especially my younger daughter. I'm
Hmm.
not speaking with my elder one because they are not showing interest to talk with me, my husband and my elder one. Younger one is okay because she's 3 years old. She can do anything what I say.
Yeah, yeah.
So
But
I'm
it doesn't work
speaking
with
with
the
her.
family, you know. We are comfort with
Yes.
it. Again, it's coming. The word comfort is coming. So we are very
Yeah,
comfortable with our language, our own language, our mother tongue.
exactly.
So we definitely go with that. Even if we start to speak in English, it will definitely go just for one day or
Yes,
2 days,
exactly.
maximum 2 days.
And in family, we need lot of emotions. We can't
Exactly.
say those. I mean, express
Yeah,
those emotions in
yeah,
English.
yeah.
That might be
But
problem.
when I was
Yeah.
in Maldives, I was alone. I was not with my family. So
Mhm.
just 4 months ago, I was there, and nearly 1.5 years I spent there with Maldivian people as well as foreign people. So when I
Mhm.
was working in the school, I definitely need to speak in English because
You worked there,
yeah, I worked there
Maldives.
as a teacher. Yeah,
Okay.
so that's an international American curriculum school. So many teachers from abroad. So definitely we must speak in English, and that's the only mode of communication. So
Exactly.
I have improved in the conversational way because we need to ask something, or if they are asking something and we need to replay for that, we need to respond for that. So it
Mm.
came with the flow, and also with the Maldivian people. And Maldivians, their native language is Diwahi, but 90
Mhm.
percentage of people, even from the small children and up to the old age people, they definitely speak in English 90 percentage. Like their English
Okay.
communication is better than us. It is not
Mm-hmm.
better.
Maybe because of that is a tourist place. Because of that,
Not only
maybe
the
they
tourist
improve.
place, because the way of approach, the I mean the teaching, and teachers are from India. Most of the teachers are just recruited from India to Maldives. So the teachers must communicate in English. Whatever we are
Mm.
I mean educating, whatever we are explaining, we need to explain that in English. That's the way of explaining. I mean, that's the only language to explain them. And English is just a international level language, and not only the tourist coming to the Maldives, because they are just coming and they are moving to other islands. They are not focusing with the Maldivian people. Even if they are talking with the Maldivian people, they can talk with the just for the small shops, and then the resort people. Apart from them, the common people, they are not communicating, right? So
Okay.
the students and the parents and everybody, maybe some ages like 45 to 60 or 80. So after 45 to 50 age people, if they haven't studied, if they haven't
Mhm.
gone for some other places, they will just get stuck with the language. Like if yeah, I have stayed in Maldivian home. Okay, so I was
Okay.
in one room and I was stayed with their family. That's a family
Mhm.
actually, four people, two children and husband and wife. I got a room and I separately stayed with them. So when we were just talking, that I mean the male, he got stuck. He will just smile at me, and he fumble to say something. When he want to say something, then he will just tell to the wife. So that lady, she will tell to me. She will just explain. and even she will not speak that much longer. Small, small
Okay.
sentences just to explain.
Yes.
Yeah, because of the
Yeah.
studies, the wordings and the sentences, everything they just got to know from the books, the study books.
Mm-hmm. Yes, yes, yes. But it's nice ways to explore, right? You explored
Exactly.
Maldives and Sri Lanka, everything. Yeah.
Yeah. And not only the place,
Yes,
but
yes.
that was the very interest of me. Like I want to broaden my horizon. So, which
Mm-hmm.
means I just want to expand myself, as you said. I don't want to be in a small circle. I want to express
Mm-hmm.
my feelings. I don't want to impress others. I just want to express myself to others.
Yeah, exactly.
If I want to
Exactly.
impress you means I need to make such conversation in memorize, and I need to speak with you. So, not like that. Even the self introduction, I have never, I mean, introduced to me in a way like I memorized. Whatever comes to my
Mm-hmm.
mind, I just go with the flow.
Yes, yes, yes. To improve any language, that is the
The
main
natural
part.
way, right? Yeah.
Natural way is important.
Okay.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes, yes.
So, what about
Yeah.
your? Do you have a channel?
No, I created channels, a lot of channels, but now also I'm not consistent.
Mm-mm.
Yeah.
I
Even
have
I have
checked with your
Instagram.
name actually. I checked with your name, but I haven't seen any video because in the the picture also, the profile picture also, I can't see you, like you have set with
Yes,
the baby
actually,
picture.
my YouTube name is different. I
Okay.
started with some other purpose.
Okay.
Almost 4 to 5 years started, but I was overwhelmed. Now they're running, but I want to start one more for
Mm-mm.
English conversations. I'm
Definitely.
thinking in
So
that
can
way.
I post this video after this conversation?
Yes, yes, exactly. Okay,
Because
it's okay.
yeah, because you are talking nicely, and you are like you told many things to the learners. Somebody will get to know something from you, right? Yeah.
Yes, yes, little bit. Nowadays, I'm concentrating on that. Whatever I read somewhere, just I told that's it. I
Yeah.
also learned a lot of things from you. I'm feeling very friendly talking with you.
Definitely, definitely.
And
Yeah.
yeah.
Okay. So what about your leisure time? What do you do in your leisure time?
Yeah, leisure time means I'm busy with a lot of schedules.
Mm-mm.
Nowadays, I'm concentrating on some other things. Yeah. I want I now actually my daughter went school. Only
Mm-mm.
after 2 hours she will come. I have to spend with her. Within these 2 hours, whatever I want to do, that's it. I have to do.
Okay. Okay. So
That's
is
it.
she going pre-K, pre-KG or
Yeah,
KG?
nursery now.
Okay.
Now she's going to nursery.
Okay.
Within two
So
hours
that's
she
the
will come.
good age, you can educate her. Because
Exactly.
within a certain time, we can learn lot of languages.
Exactly. My
So
kids also one of the reason to make me to learn. They are forcing me to learn this language because
definitely.
whenever I go to their schools,
Mm.
definitely I have to talk with teachers in English, right? Sometimes I felt that even though I studied this much, why I am not able to talk in English. I felt those days, but not now. Now I can speak, but I have to improve a lot more.
I can't say that you are a beginner. You are not a beginner. You are like an intermediate. You are speaking well, and you are picking the words very effortlessly.
Maybe I we means I am spending time to improve myself, but we don't know where we are growing,
Mm.
right?
Mm. Yeah.
Like when we say put the seed in the soil, we don't know it's growing or not. Just
Yeah.
after plant comes, then only we know. Now
Yeah.
you are saying, I'm thinking that maybe I improve little bit.
Yeah.
I'm thinking in that way
Yeah, so
with
I
your
can
feedback.
understand that whatever you are coming to say, I can understand. And you are not stucking anywhere. You are picking the words easily and you're conveying the things. So it's enough to communicate, right?
Yes, yes, yes.
Yeah.
Maybe. But anyway, if we see advanced speaker in front of us, little bit nervousness will come, but that was previous Shirisha, not now.
Okay.
Now there is a confidence in me. I can deal anyone, but there is lot to improve, lot to learn more,
But we
right?
cannot expect that moment, right? We cannot expect.
Hmm.
Anytime it will come. So we need
Yes,
to make ourselves so like so much of knowledgeable. So whenever it comes, so we can talk with them. We cannot expect that. Sometimes
exactly.
a foreigner may come and somebody will ask us about something, or they may seek help. So
Yes,
in that moment, we need to talk with them. If you are traveling, if you are just meeting someone and they are just asking some help from you, so you need to talk with them.
yes,
So that moment, it would
exactly.
definitely help.
Exactly. I
Yeah.
agree with that.
Yeah.
It's a nice to
Yeah,
talk
it's
with
really
you
nice
this
to talk with
session.
you. I'm really feeling so well because I was just wondering that who is that person who, because there is no channel in your name, and Sirisha means I have seen a person who is from not Bangalore, some other place I guess, and she has lot of
Mhm.
videos, and see she has not done a video with the conversational like conversations with nobody.
Okay.
She just post a video like solo videos about English.
Mm-hmm.
And her English is
Okay.
really good. So I just thought that is that her or somebody else like that. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, it's
Actually,
you.
my niche was different, so I am posting some other way, but still not in the end, so that I did not
Yeah.
tell you about my YouTube channel.
Okay, that's
It is
fine. That's
just,
fine. No
yeah,
issues. Okay.
yeah,
But definitely it will, I mean, somebody will ask you if you're just starting a channel, definitely people want to communicate with you.
exactly. I'm
Because
also
that's the
feeling
only thing we are lagging. We don't have a person to talk, right? Even after
exactly.
coming from Maldives, I'm not consistent in explaining or talking in English, because as I
Hmm.
said, we can't talk in English continuously in our family, and there is no friends to talk in English. Sometimes
Yes.
I usually get a call from my old school like in Maldives, and they just talk. I explain about them, like what is their situation, and how they are facing the school right now. So they just talk, and they just say about their experiences. But that's
Yes. Yes.
that even just for just a call, right?
uh, when I was in school or college days, when I used to speak in English, everyone laugh at me. Where are you from? Are you came from US? Why are you talking in English? That was a question. Yes,
Same happened in every state, I guess. Each
yes,
state,
exactly.
yeah, they have
That
faced.
that's where we step back, right?
Yeah, even my friends also, the same kind of words. Oh, she started. She started like
Yeah,
this.
exactly. They won't support us. Anyway,
Mm-mm.
they bring back us
Yeah,
to
yeah,
from
definitely they
that
pull back
topic.
as, yeah. Okay.
Pull back. Yeah.
Yeah. So, yeah,
Okay.
you just continue this kind of conversations, and you just approach the YouTubers, and you can just have nice conversation with them.
But yeah, then what is the one question? What is the way to approach conversational videos
Yeah,
person? How to approach?
definitely. You can just reach out them using their bio, bio in the YouTube. So they would have definitely mentioned their IDs, like mail IDs. So you can approach in that way. And
Just
many
in a
YouTubers
means.
are just doing the conversation. Lots and lots of
Yes,
people.
yes,
Now I'm
yes,
seeing
yes. Lots
so
of
many
people.
people. Not only the
Exactly.
intermediates, the beginners also they started, and they are not feeling low about their conversation. They are lagging like that. They are simply posting, and they are feeling so bold now. So
Exactly.
it's not. I mean,
That's what they are improving in that way.
yeah.
Yeah. Everybody is posting for themselves. That's it. Not for others. Some people might doing for other people, but
Mm-mm.
many of us are doing for themselves to improve themselves generally.
Yeah. So maybe we can have another conversation also in after some time with a
Sure.
topic or some kind of discussion we can have.
Sure, sure, Kavita.
Yeah.
Nice to talk
Okay.
with
Nice
you.
to meet you. Have a good day. See
Thank you,
you.
thank you.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.